bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here. Not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. Dumbledore! Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore! Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore! Ron! Ron! Severus.
Ron Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron! Ron!
Severus.
Ron Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Tiny.
Ron!
Severus.
Ron
Tiny.
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Tiny.
Ron!
Severus.
Ron
Tiny.
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Tiny.
Oh,
Severus.
Harry Potter!
Ron
Harry Potter!
Dumbledore!
Yeah! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Yeah! Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Dumbledore! Hermione! Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts!
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Yay! Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldy, 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 Voldemort. Ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Hogwarts, Hogwarts, Hoggy warning, Hogwarts, teach us something, please. Whether we be old and bald or young and scabby, always our heads could use some Leviosa, not Leviosa. Interesting stuff, for now they're bare and full of abandoned plots and myths. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. So teach us things worth knowing, bring Halloween for God. But I am the best one.
You are.
That would be Nitwit on the Glover tweak.
Alas, dear life.